Yes, we have the thing. This is the thing. It's Taste of Katsu microwave rice limited edition. In this rather resplendently coloured packet. You see the serving suggestion. I'm going to have it as is on the inside of here, but obviously you could do the serving suggestion. So what we need to do is, because it's microwave rice, we need to tear this corner, put it in the microwave, let it go buzz, 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 and then go bing, and it'll be back here. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah. And here we are. Going to angle it a little way. Yeah. Give you a good look around all of it. But yeah. Oh, whoop, there. Maybe not do that much. That'd be a bit mad. Bit mad indeed. But there it is in all of its microwave glory. I have kind of spread it out a little bit just so it's just not so clumpy, because that's what happens. It smells quite katsu-y. Quite katsu-y indeed. I would say the serving suggestion would help this greatly, but yeah, I'm going to have it as is. As is indeed. So we have a fork and we have the plate, and we're going to grab some and then convey this from here to over here. Okay, pretty standard microwave ricey texture. Not too bad katsu flavour. I think it definitely could be helped. Going for a second nibble. Oh yeah, blah, blah, blah. Not bad. Definitely utterly not bad at all. So, one to try for sure. Probably more to do with that. It's a limited time thing, and if you're into these microwave ricey things, I'm sure you've happened across this one. So, this gets a yes from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. What do you think? Be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah, I know. Ta.